We are here today at Birdie Bar in Northport, Long Island, and we have as our guest Brent. Welcome to A Taste of New York. We are going to be making tonight some fabulous holiday cocktails using our favorite new whiskey, Balcones. As the original Texas Whisky, Balcones pioneered a new landscape for whiskey by combining centuries of distilling tradition with the unique conditions and flavors of Texas. Synonymous with quality and innovation, Balcones Distilling is an award-winning distillery that is changing the state of whiskey through its high-quality ingredients and unique processes to create nuanced and expressive layers of flavor in every expression. There are 5 core products in the portfolio: Baby Blue, Lineage, Texas One Single Malt, Texas Rye Bottled in Bond, and Brimstone. The products in the Balcones portfolio are all unique in their own ways, but are equally created with passion for experimentation, dedication to partnership with the Texas land, and love of the details within the craft.
Hey guys, Brent here at Birdie Bar. Today we're going to be making a smoked old fashioned using Balcones single malt whiskey. I'm going to show you how to do it today. Here we go. So right now we're just doing a couple of dashes of Angostura bitters and orange bitters, followed by 1 ounce of our infused cinnamon maple house syrup that we use for our old fashioned here, followed by 2 ounces of the Balcones single malt whiskey. I'll do a quick little stir. Add some ice. Now we're going to do a little smoke top. So this is our smoked maple old fashioned. That's a holiday hit. Cheers. So for our second cocktail today, we're going to be doing our fig infused Balcones Manhattan with our Balcones single malt whiskey. So we're going to do with 2 dashes of Angostura bitters, followed by 1.5 ounces of our fig infused sweet vermouth, followed by 4 ounces of Balcones single malt whiskey. You want to give it a quick little stir before you add a little ice to it. Last, we're going to pour into our chilled coupe martini glass. And lastly, you want to garnish this with a fig. Cheers and happy holidays. For our next cocktail, we're going to be doing a sugar cookie. It's a great post-dinner drink. So to start, we have our 1 ounce of butterscotch schnapps, followed by our 1 ounce of Irish cream, followed by 2 ounces of Balcones Lineage whiskey. Add ice. Give it a nice shake. Pour over fresh ice. Hit the top with some whipped cream. We'll do a little festive sprinkles. And there you have it, folks, our sugar cookie. Sure to be a holiday hit. Cheers. So for our last cocktail today, we're going to be doing a maple bourbon sour. So this is 1 ounce of egg white, followed by 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice, followed by 1 ounce of maple syrup. I'm going to follow that up with 4 ounces of the Balcones Lineage whiskey. While using egg whites, you're going to want to give it a quick dry shake. Make sure you get it going. Good 5 to 10 second shake. Add fresh ice. Give it a quick shake. And we are going to be pouring this into a chilled coupe glass. When using egg white, you usually get a nice frothy full head. You're going to want to garnish the cocktail with a star anise pod. And there you have it. That's our maple bourbon sour. Sure to be a holiday hit. Thanks for spending some time with me. Cheers, happy holidays.
Texas One Single Malt is a rich, complex single malt that stands on its own, neat or on the rocks. But it can also be a great component in a refreshing Texas or classic cocktail. Opening aromas bear hints of toffee and overripe fruits. On the palate, layers of toasted malt and honey give way to mellow notes of baked pears and apples. A long finish is accompanied by cinnamon and cloves. The Lineage Texas Single Malt features Texas-grown and malted barley aged in refill oak alongside Scottish Golden Promise malted barley. Together, these elements are refined through maturation under the intense climate of Texas. On the nose, it's sweet and indulgent with sourdough starter and cream soda, mulled cider, bruised bananas, and peaches. You can taste caramelized sweetness, soft oak, manuka honey, chestnuts, and hint of red wine reduction. It has a warm finish with engaging notes of pineapple upside-down cake and creamy Vietnamese tea. Linger on a soft finish. We'd like to thank Brent here at Birdie Bar in Northport, Long Island for hosting us today and creating these fabulous holiday cocktails. And thanks to Balcones for making them super delicious.